Hello! To set up our Redmi Note 14 as a remote controller, first of all you'll have to open up the Mi Remote application right here. And if you're doing it for the first time, you'll have to agree the terms and conditions of using it. And right now we simply have to press this button to add remote. And we need to select which type of device we want to control using the remote. In my case it will be a TV, so let's select it. And right here you have to select the brand of your TV, and in my case it will be LG right there. And as you can see right here we have to turn on our TV, so let me quickly turn it on. Alright, and we can press that the TV is on. And right now we'll have to point the IR blaster at our TV and tap the button. And right here we will be checking the available configurations for our phone, for our remote I mean. So let's take a look. Right here we have to press the volume up button, and we need to put this IR blaster to our TV, and let's see. This configuration doesn't work, so you have to press that the volume doesn't go up. And here's another configuration, and you have to again point your phone towards your TV and press volume up button, and let's see if we have any results. And alright, right here, this second configuration does work for my TV. The volume just went up, so let's press yes. And right here we can set up the device name. We can set where we actually have this device, let's say, I don't know, living room. And we can also add shortcut to our home screen, I believe. And let's press paired. And right now, as you can see, here's our remote. And let me just turn off the TV using this remote. Yeah, and it just turned off. So basically that's how to set up the remote controller for any actually device that you have. Remember to always be sure that the configurations are correct. You'll have to try with different configurations, and yeah, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.